How's it going, everyone? Mike Power here. We're in the Type S Auto Garage today showing you how to change the mounting rings on our LED fog lights. So let's jump right in. So the reason why we'd want to change these mounting rings is because a lot of our LED fog light kits come for multiple configurations when it comes to your vehicle. So when we open up our LED fog light kits, we're going to find our instruction manual along with our other mounting rings. So we're going to go ahead and swap these out and show you how. And the only tool that we're going to need is a small Phillips head screwdriver. So first we're going to take our LED fog light and remove this mounting ring. So what we're going to do is find the blue O-ring and we're going to move that back. Once we get the little blue O-ring off the mounting ring, we're going to go ahead and find our Phillips head set screw. Now what we're going to do is take our screwdriver and undo that set screw. And once it's all the way out, we can go ahead and slide off this mounting ring. Now before we bring over the mounting ring that we want to swap it out for, we're going to go ahead and remove the same rubber O-ring so we have access to the hole for our set screw. Then we're going to take our mounting ring, slide it onto the LED light, and we're going to locate the threaded hole for our set screw. Once we have that lined up, we're going to take our set screw, drop it in there. Just be careful not to drop it, it is small. Then we're going to take our Phillips head screwdriver and tighten it up. We don't have to make it super tight, just tight enough and all the way down so it's not in the way of our rubber O-ring. And once we get it tight, we're going to take our rubber O-ring and reinstall it. So once you're done with your first LED light, you're just going to follow the steps on the second light. And once you get that done, they're ready to be installed. And that's a wrap on today's install, but if you have any more questions, make sure to reach out to us and we'll see you on the next one.